Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. Daniel English. I'm Daniel, and today we are talking about the new year. A new year means new hopes, new goals, and new dreams. Stay with us and learn simple English while we talk together.
Hi, friends. The new year is a great time to start fresh and feel happy. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. Let's learn English together this year.
Hello. Welcome back to Easy English Conversations. I am Daniel.
And I am Sarah. We are happy you are here.
Yes, today we talk about New Year. It is a happy time.
We will use very simple English. We will talk slow and clear.
This is for beginners. We want you to understand and learn.
Let's start. Daniel, what is New Year?
New Year is a holiday. It is the start of a new year. The new year is January 1st.
Yes, we say goodbye to the old year. We say hello to the new year.
It is like a new book. The old book is finished. Now we start a new book.
I like that. A new book with blank pages. We can write a new story.
Yes. Sarah, when is New Year's Eve?
New Year's Eve is December 31st. It is the last day of the year, the night before New Year.
Do you like New Year's Eve?
Oh, yes, I like it very much. It's exciting. People stay up late.
Stay up late? What does that mean?
It means you do not go to sleep. You wait for midnight.
Ah, midnight, 12 o'clock at night, the moment the new year begins.
Exactly. At midnight, everyone cheers. They say, Happy New Year!
What else do people do at midnight?
Many people sing a song, a very old song. It is called Auld Lang Syne.
That is a hard name. What does it mean?
It is old Scottish words. It means for old times, remembering old friends and old times.
That is nice. Do people kiss at midnight?
Sometimes, some people kiss their husband or wife or their boyfriend or girlfriend. It is for good luck.
I see. What about fireworks? Do you have fireworks?
Yes, big fireworks. Many cities have big fireworks shows. The sky is full of colors. It is beautiful.
I love fireworks. They are loud and bright.
Me too. People also make noise. They blow horns. They bang pots and pans.
Bang pots and pans? Why?
To scare away the old year, to welcome the new year with noise. It is fun.
It sounds fun and loud. Do you have a party on New Year's Eve?
Often, yes, a New Year's Eve party. People dress up, they wear nice clothes, they eat good food, they drink champagne.
Champagne? That is a special drink.
Yes, it is a bubbly wine. People say cheers and drink it at midnight.
Do you make promises for the new year?
Yes, we call them New Year's resolutions.
Resolutions. That's a big word.
It is a promise to yourself, a plan to do something better.
Can you give examples? Simple examples.
Of course, many people say, I will get healthy, so they might eat more vegetables.
Okay, eat more vegetables. That's a good resolution.
Or, I will exercise more. Maybe go for a walk every day.
Walk every day. I like that. What else?
I will learn something new, like learning English.
That is a perfect resolution for our listeners.
Yes. Hello, listeners. Your resolution can be to listen to our podcast every week.
Good idea. Other resolutions?
I will save money, or I will read more books, or I will call my family more.
These are nice promises, but are they hard to keep?
Sometimes, yes. Many people stop their resolution in February.
February is the second month, so they try for 1 month.
Right, but it's okay to try. It's good to have goals.
Yes, try your best. That's important. Sarah, what is your resolution this year?
My resolution is to drink more water. I often drink coffee. I need more water. What about you, Daniel?
My resolution is to cook more. I eat in restaurants too much. I want to cook simple meals at home.
That is a great resolution. Cooking is fun.
Let's talk about New Year's Day, the first day of the year. Is it a quiet day?
Often, yes. People relax, they watch TV, they watch parades.
Parades? What is a parade?
A parade is a big event in the street. There are big floats, bands play music, people march and dance.
Which parade is famous?
In the United States, a very famous parade is the Rose Parade. It is in California. The floats are covered with flowers. Millions of people watch it.
Flowers on floats? That sounds beautiful.
It is. And on TV, there's a lot of football, American football.
Ah, sports. Many people like to watch sports on New Year's Day.
Yes, it is a day to relax on the sofa.
Do people eat special food on New Year's Day?
Oh, yes, this is important. People eat food for good luck.
Food for luck. Tell me more.
In the southern United States, people eat black-eyed peas.
Black-eyed peas. They are beans, right?
Yes, they look like little coins. Coins mean money. So eating them means good luck for money.
So eat beans for money. What else?
They also eat greens, like cabbage or kale,
Why greens?
because greens are the color of money. Dollar bills are green, so greens mean more money.
I see. Beans and greens for money. Anything else?
They eat pork. Pigs are good because they move forward when they eat. They do not move backward. So pork means moving forward in the new year.
That is interesting. So no chicken?
Some people say no chicken. Chickens scratch the ground backward, so maybe bad luck. But not everyone thinks this.
It is tradition. In other countries, do they eat different foods?
Yes, of course. In Spain, people eat 12 grapes at midnight.
12 grapes. Why 12?
One grape for each month of the year. When the clock hits midnight, you eat one grape with each bell sound. Very fast.
That is funny. You must eat very fast.
Yes, if you eat all 12, you will have good luck.
What about in Japan?
In Japan, people eat special noodles called toshikoshi soba. The noodles are long. Long noodles mean long life.
Long noodles for a long life. I like that.
In many cultures, round food is important. Round shapes are like a circle. A circle has no end. It means good luck and long life.
Like donuts? Are donuts good for New Year?
Yes, like donuts or cakes. In some places, people eat round cakes.
This is all about good luck for the new year.
Yes, people want a happy, healthy, and lucky new year.
Let's talk about words. Important words for New Year.
Good idea. Let's list simple words.
First word, celebrate. To celebrate means to do something fun for a special day.
We celebrate New Year with a party.
Next word, countdown. A countdown is counting the seconds before an event.
We watch the countdown to midnight. 10, 9, 8.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Next word, toast. A toast is when you lift your glass and say good words.
You make a toast to the new year. You say, to health and happiness.
Then everyone says cheers and drinks.
Next word, fireworks. We talked about this. Fireworks are the colorful explosions in the sky.
They're very pretty at night.
Next word, resolution. A promise to yourself for the new year.
My resolution is to learn 10 new words every week.
That is a very good resolution. Next phrase, Happy New Year. This is what you say to people.
You say it on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. You can say it all through January.
Happy New Year, Sarah.
Happy New Year, Daniel.
Sarah, do you have special memories of New Year?
I do. When I was a little girl, my family had a tradition.
A tradition is something you do every year.
Yes, every New Year's Eve, we played board games all night.
What games did you play?
We played Monopoly. It is a long game about money and property.
Did you stay up until midnight?
Yes, we tried. Sometimes my little brother fell asleep on the sofa, but my parents woke him up at midnight.
That is a nice memory, warm and happy.
Yes. What about you, Daniel? Any memory?
One memory is very clear. The year I was 10 years old, my parents let me stay up for the first time.
Your first midnight?
Yes, I was so excited. I watched the big celebration on TV from New York City.
Times Square.
Yes, Times Square. A big crowd of people, a big shiny ball drops down at midnight.
The ball drop. It is very famous.
I watched it. When it hit midnight, I felt so grown up. Then, 5 minutes later, I was asleep.
That is how it is. It's a special feeling, part of growing up.
Yes. Now, for many people, New Year is different after the COVID pandemic.
That is true. Some people still like small parties at home, not big crowds.
That's okay. You can have a quiet New Year. You can watch movies. You can call friends on the phone.
Video calls are popular now. You can see your friends on the computer.
You can have a virtual party. Everyone is in their own home, but together on the screen.
That is a new tradition for many people.
The most important thing is to be safe and happy.
Yes. Daniel, how do people prepare for the new year?
Many people clean their house.
Clean the house? Why?
It is symbolic. You clean out the old year. You make the house fresh for the new year. Clean space, clean mind.
Oh, I like that. I clean my apartment every December. It feels good.
Some people also pay their debts. They try to finish old business.
That is a good feeling too. Start the new year with a fresh start.
Exactly. A fresh start. That is the feeling of New Year.
Do people give gifts for New Year?
In some cultures, yes, but it is not like Christmas. Christmas is for many gifts. New Year is more for cards.
Sending cards, saying Happy New Year in a card or a message.
Yes, a text message to all your friends, wishing you a Happy New Year.
That is nice. Let's talk about the calendar. The new year is January 1st, but is that for everyone?
That is a very good question. No, not for everyone. Many cultures have a different New Year.
For example, Chinese New Year. It is in January or February. It changes every year.
It is based on the moon, not the sun. It is a lunar New Year.
The celebration lasts for many days. There are dragon dances, red envelopes, and special foods.
Red is a lucky color, so you see a lot of red.
Also, the Jewish New Year, called Rosh Hashanah. It is in autumn. People eat apples with honey for a sweet new year.
And there's the Islamic New Year. It is also based on the moon. The date moves every year.
So, New Year can mean different times, but the idea is the same.
A new beginning, a time for reflection and hope.
Reflection means to think about the past.
And hope means to want good things for the future.
Daniel, what are your hopes for this new year?
My hopes are simple. I hope for good health for my family. I hope for peace in the world. And I hope our listeners enjoy learning English.
Those are beautiful hopes. My hopes are similar. I hope to be kind every day. I hope to see my friends more. And I hope all of you feel confident speaking English.
Confidence is important. Do not be afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, making mistakes is how we learn. So try to say Happy New Year to someone in English.
Maybe you can write your resolution in simple English. This year, I will...
Let's practice some simple sentences for New Year.
Okay, repeat after us, listeners. Say these sentences.
First sentence, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Second sentence, I wish you good health.
I wish you good health.
Third sentence, my resolution is to learn English.
My resolution is to learn English.
Very good. You can say these sentences to anyone.
Sarah, our time is almost finished. Do you have any last words about New Year?
I would say New Year is a gift. It is a new chance. Every day is a new chance, but New Year is a special marker. Be kind to yourself, make small, happy goals, enjoy the simple things.
Well said. I agree. Do not put too much pressure on yourself. Just try to be a little better than last year.
And remember the good times from last year. Be thankful.
Thankful. That is a good word. Be thankful for what you have.
To all our listeners, thank you for being with us today.
We wish you a very, very happy New Year. May your new year be filled with joy, learning, and peace.
Happy New Year. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.